Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable device protection on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. After click on device care, scroll down and click on app protection. After click on device app protection and you will see click on here showing you turn on, so click on turn on. After click on turn on, you will see device protection is enabled. You will see after scanning you will see go back and you will see device protection is enabled. So that's how you can enable device protection on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.